welcome back. So I want us to look at this screenshot very, very well. As you can see here, this is from Biafran Republic Government in Exile, BRGIE, Advisory Committee, whatever, blah, blah, blah. They put here, then you see here, date, May 28, 2025, Dear Dr. NGOZI ORABUEZE. So this letter is Biafran Ogenkere and the Fallback Republic, draft this letter. I don't know if they made it public or they sent it to CS, but I am reading this from, let me show you the platform. As you can see here, the people that made this post happen to be Biafran Liaison Malaysia. So this is a Malaysian branch of Ogenkere group of company. And what he said here is this: Dear Dr. NGOZI ORABUEZE, subject warning from the BRGIE Prime Minister, PM, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoko, to stop communication in homeland. From leave social media. Leave social media to stop communication. If truly PM said this thing honestly, please, I want them to save the video. Because if PM honestly said this kind of thing, all this nonsense that's dishing out, that means PM, he don't know Biafrans, and he don't really understand what Biafrans actually mean. Like, if truly he said it, which I doubt. Why I'm bringing this is not about PM. I just want you all to know and hear it for yourself. Know how deep these people can go to dish out lies and propaganda. Before we read this thing, I want you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Many of you are, you just watch and go. The only thing you do is to watch and go. You don't subscribe, you don't even like. Some of you have subscribed, but liking the video is very, very poor. I don't know why it is so heavy for you people to like the video. I have told us the reason why it is important that you like the video, because it goes a long way to, push the owner of the platform to recommend this video for other people to watch it, to learn, to understand that you cannot build yourself with lies. Remember when PM started, some DOS was like, they don't like him. There's a program that PM made. He said that they invite him on one program like that, and he was there live. This Zoom meeting, something like that. Immediately China Saworu saw him. He started, attacking him. Like first time that both of them are sitting in a platform to have a meeting. China Saworu was raining insult on him. PM made it clear, made it public for Biafran to know how they can go, how they can react when they see genuine people. Isn't it what is going on now? I mean, is it not what is happening now? Because every now and then we hear Fulani Gongoro, whatever Gongoro, this Harimatu Abubakar. All this nonsense keep on coming from one particular group of people, simply because they want to be important. Now let's go to the warning. According to them, they say PM will send warning to COS to stop communications in homeland. And before then, the first warning was to leave social media. Leave, because ATM is non-noble. He said, on Saturday, May 24, 2025, BRGIE Cabinet officials, Honorable Dr. Joy Yorubi, Director General MFA, Honorable Dr. Ruby Nadi, Minister of Education, Honorable Dr. Brisin Okoma, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and Honorable Imam Mado, CRC BAC Chairman. Okay, they have attached another thing. I hope PM is aware that from CRC to another thing is BAC. He can go behold, honestly. They meet with the BRGIE PM at the facility in Finland. Okay. During the visit, the PM requested that the cabinet members formally inform you that your actions in the homeland are endangering lives, with a report indicating that most of the people you have contacted or liaised with have been murdered by the Nigerian government. Here, PM Nagoya, right? The same PM that sent voice note, that not voice note, that called, we are the one that saying that he sent a voice note. The same PM that called Ada Rama, who lives in France, and PM was able to connect to her, is now sending delegates to write a letter on his behalf for COS who live in US. Wow. Remember, for European rep Uche, he lives in Finland with the PM, right? And that message, PM couldn't convert that message to Uche. PM is now sending the message to COS, to Imam Badabo and all this cabal, or sending the message to them to pass to CS. Really? So if CS is a problem, which also is a problem, isn't it? Wow. You guys must be living in Mercury, not in this planet Earth. Anyway, let's continue. He said the PM requested that you should immediately cease all your interactions, including communications and activities in the homeland. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. If you have any question, please contact the BRGIE directly. If you're not good, I don't know if you are doing this. If you're not good, I don't know. Really? Wow. Anyway, like I said, remember there's a group called Accountability Group. During the time of Master Khan, early 2020, early 2012, there about 2012, 2013, 2014, thereabout. There's a group called Bureau Initiative, I think Bureau Initiative, something like that. Maybe I will bring that program of Master Khan so that you guys will hear how those guys was busy dragging position with MNK. Dragging position like exactly because everybody want to be typical Igbo people. I want to be chairman, not every Igbo though, because to me, you see this do I am now. That's what I want. That's why I said I'm not fighting for freedom. I know why I'm saying that, because it's either run by many of people. It's either some of us actually want to. You see the name PM, direct on car, minister of car. Minister of Education, Minister of Sports. Trust suit was Ghana Bender said that the suit you not be the same matter. People that actually have the quality are there. You will look on block everywhere. Makana, you know how to speak English, you know how to write. Can you do that? You know that you can do it, but you just want them to be. You want to appear your name to be in Nigerian newspaper. You know, Okechukwu for Nokafia. You know, that is what they want. Indeed, the one that those people that made this post, to be honest with you, you guys are just jokers. Why? Because if you want to lie, why don't you apply your brain, your God-given brain, so that it creates not this type. You are talking to a group of people that have been with Master for how many years now? Biafrans have tested this hot and cold weather. They know it. Only those that are jumping from APC to PDP to Obedient, from Obedient to DOF, from back to Obedient, go underground, come back again, trying to appreciate Wazirike, trying to downplay Ojukwu, trying to appreciate PM, now going back to Genkere, now you want to build your own. These are people who inconsistent, people who cannot even be proud of who they are. And you expect everybody to begin to play that kind of game? No. It doesn't work that way at all. It doesn't work that way. All right, moving forward, we have another post that I would like you to go through with me. Here is Eunice PB. this woman. Now hear this, because you hear when get up that now watch our researcher is an in fancy. Now and get it up that. Now listen. This one said, the master of all lies has been caught in the web of his lies, and now sounds more confused than shit, even while reading the script his witch mother NGOZI gave him. He sounded so delusional, like he smokes the same crap NGOZI ORABUEZE Gongoro Fulani smokes. she decided that tag Rose. He said. So she said that this guy is a type of imbecile, NGOZI ORABUEZE, contracted to destroy our freedom. So Dimpa Beni, you don't know the court date of our PM. Don't you live in Finland anymore? Otondo. Very dirty thing. Now, this woman talking about contracting people happen to be the person that come from DOS that nobody know you as of this time last year. You are not even in support. You are not saying anything meaningful to support PM. You don't even agree because you have your post. Your screenshots of your post is everywhere. It have been saved. In fact, anybody that wants to lay hand on that can do that. So it's not as if you are going to delete it later because it is well saved. I mean saved. So people like you are funny. But I have an advice for Rose. Okay. Sometimes we need to understand that anybody can make a mistake, and we can say something believing that that thing that you said, that you don't mean what you say. Sometimes it's a slip of tongue. But I'm not going to go deep on that. I want you to pay close attention to the next video, which is the video of Rose. Okay, the video itself. And then after that, if I have anything to say, then I will say that.
Nigeria would definitely come to Finland and international courts to discuss Biafran's matter. I don't know the date because they keep changing the date and they keep telling us different things. So, but what I know and what I'm putting out there is that as soon as the date is being made public or available, we will come here to tell you nothing but the truth. But disregard that 30th because we have not seen it and I have not seen it anywhere and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people and continue the deceit of...
What did he say? Why Nigeria refuses to lie? What is he saying? What is it? And he's reading, he's reading from paper. Look at what he's saying.
Nigerian government refuses to lie to the truth, but disregard that 30th because we have not seen it and I have not seen it anywhere and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people. And
what does it mean? Why does Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Anywhere, and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people and continue the deceit of innocent Nigerians and the world at large.
What does he mean by Nigeria refuses to lie to their own people? Let me take it back so that it will not be that I'm listening out of context. Listen to him.
Anywhere, and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people and continue the deceit of innocent Nigerians and the world at large.
What I don't understand though, well, I don't have time. Maybe later in the evening, together with our daddy or Amma, refuses to lie. Someone gave him the topic to use because he's reading from paper and he's just talking as if he doesn't even know ABCD. I wonder why Nigeria government refuses to lie to their own people. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here until we are back in the evening together with Adade Orama. If possible, Remy Juice will join us and then we'll do justice to this. This guy, he is just evil. Fake and evil. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me.
What I know and what I'm putting out there is that as soon as the date is being made public or available, we will come here to tell you nothing but the truth. But disregard that 30th because we have not seen it and I have not seen it anywhere and I don't think it will happen. But I wonder why the Nigerian government refuses to lie to their own people and continue the deceit of innocent Nigerians and the world at large.
So you see, for you to know that there is nothing genuine about this guy, everything about this guy is fake. Because what he's saying doesn't even make any sense. And he's saying it. So for you to know that this guy is bought. He is bought, he's arranged, he's placed there to be doing the damages he's doing. He doesn't belong to Biafra. He doesn't belong to Biafrans. He doesn't belong to our freedom. That's why you see him manipulating and lying. They will not give him figures. Or you go today and tell them that go and tell them that Simon Ekpa was paid 150 million. Go and tell them that this is go and tell. He will just be lying. I have an open debate with him. If
I want you to pay very close attention because what you heard this guy saying, and I mean Chiamaka, he's trying to talk down on Rose, trying to make it look like he's don't know what he's saying. I know that I have not watched the video from the Rose's channel, so this one you are seeing here, it could be that they cut and joined something because at the end of it, there's a sign or logo of cut cap or cap cut, right? So, meaning that is a editing platform, and this particular video that you are hearing and from them. If you pay close attention, you will see their mouse moving from one place to place. Just pay attention, look at Rose's body on this video. Then you see how they're moving their mouse, clicking from the video is still playing from the behind. They will click, he will click, in the front, and you hear Rose saying, so you will hear Rose saying that you don't know why Nigeria is not lying. Something like that is this has it could be slip of tongue, or maybe they just worked on it using the Disney platform because you cannot trust anything from this camp. They are known to lie. They have that as their trademark. So anything that comes from them, you need to double check. Like I said, whether it is slip of tongue or editing anything at all, Rose have a better chance to explain that because this kind of blackmail will get a long way to death his image, or because people may watch it and say, oh, he said this, he said that, without paying attention to just what I just told you. Now, just pay attention to that as I'm talking. Watch the movement of their marks on Rose's body, where he's supposed to say something. They are dragging the video back and forward, meaning that something is fishing, something is behind it, and I don't trust it at all. I want to hear from you. What do you think about it? Do you agree or disagree? Because if you know them, you know that they are capable of doing this kind of thing. Anyway, my people, like this video, subscribe to the channel. God bless you and see you again some other time. Bye bye for now. God bless you. Bye bye.